Welcome back to Tons of Toys. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite foods. We're going to be making some pizza, and we're going to be using Play-Doh.
Tons of toys, tons of toys, tons of toys, tons of toys.
Let's get started. We're going to be using three major colors in this. Some brown for the crust. We've got some yellow cheese, and of course, my favorite, some red for some pepperoni. So we're going to be doing some pepperoni cheese pizza today. Let's start by rolling out our pizza dough. We're going to be using the color brown for our dough. Let's press out our brown dough. Let's press it out. Alright, there we go. We've got our pizza dough all rolled out. I'm gonna just roll this up and put it on the side. Let's make our cheese. Let's grab our yellow container here. Get out a little bit of cheese. Let's take out about half of that. Roll it into a ball. Let's roll it out. Just use your thumbs. Let's put it down and push it out a little bit. Alright, and there we go. We have our cheese all rolled out. Alright, let's grab our cheese, pick it up, and let's bring our dough back in. There's our pizza dough, and let's put our cheese right on top. There we go. So we got our dough, we got our cheese. We need some pepperoni. Let's grab our red Play-Doh here. Let's make little pepperonis. Just grab a little ball of red Play-Doh, squish it out. Maybe that's a little too big, let's see. Maybe a little too big. And make them nice and round. There's one pepperoni. Two pepperoni. It's three pepperonis. Four pepperonis. That's five little pieces of pepperoni. Let's do one more right in the middle. One more little piece of pepperoni. Just because I love pepperoni so much. Put one more in the middle here. Alright, let's review how many pieces of pepperoni we have on our pizza. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 pieces of pepperoni. Now, I like pepperoni on my pizza. What do you like to put on your pizza? If you like something different than pepperoni, or if you even like pepperoni, please comment below. Let me know what you like on your pizza. Let's cut this pizza up. We have our pizza cut up into 4 different little pieces. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 pieces. You know what? I'm hungry. I'm gonna grab myself a slice. Doesn't that look good? I'm getting hungry. If you enjoyed making pizza with me today on Tons of Toys, make sure you subscribe to our channel and of course, give us a thumbs up.